So what we have here is the Audio Technica ATR2100 USB model. Packaging is not too strong. As you can see, I kind of broke it opening it up earlier, but it's going in the trash, so it doesn't matter. Microphone has a on and off switch. I'm assuming that's just mute. Feels very solid in the hand. You can see it has an XLR port, a mini USB. It's got a rocker there for the headphone jack, so you can listen to yourself and adjust it up and down. Interesting thing is the XLR port and the USB port can both be used at the same time. So you could be recording to your computer and to a mixer or some recording device. This here is the little tripod that comes and it attaches to the mount. You know, it's plastic, kind of flimsy, but definitely good enough for the mic. Comes with its own USB cable, and it's fairly long. I have it out on a mic pole pretty far from my desk, and it works just fine. And it also comes with an XLR cable, although as you can see, you need to put it in the correct end. It's a little tight, but they all do fit at the same time. Also ordered a little $3 sock for it. Now, this recording that I'm doing now is on this mic. And so right now what I'm going to do is actually do a little recording I did that compares it from the Logitech headset and then to this, just reading a paragraph of a pamphlet I have. What you'll see will amaze you. From panoramic forest views to thrillingly deep ravines, you'll get the adrenaline rush you've been looking for right in the heart of Sonoma County. What you'll see will amaze you. From panoramic forest views to thrillingly deep ravines, you'll get the adrenaline rush you've been looking for right in the heart of Sonoma County.